Hello everybody, my name's Malika with Rainy Day Crafts, and today I will be doing a watch me resin that will include dried flowers and dried fruit that I have dehydrated myself. The fruit, not the flowers. I bought the flowers off of Amazon. So here are the flowers that I'll be using, and then here are my dried fruit. This is a grapefruit. I got some limes. Some limes. These are oranges. And then kiwis as well. I have some lemons, but I don't think they turned out too well. Let me grab them. These are my lemons. And the tutorial that I followed to make sure that they don't rot within the piece within like a couple years or anything like that. It said that it shouldn't be brown, and as you can see, these are very brown, but I don't know if that's because the temperature was too high and I cooked them for too long. You know, I don't know if they're burnt or just like didn't come out right, so I'm not gonna risk it, and I'll just put those aside. But I also have some apples as well. But yeah, if you're looking at these crystallized chunks, that's cornstarch and water, which is supposed to help preserve it. If you want me to do a video on the tutorial that I followed, I will definitely do that. The link for it will be in the description as well. But yeah, so those are the fruits that I have. I have more over there. But then I also wanted to use stickers. Yay. So I have Rilakkuma Easter stickers, and then these are just floral stickers. And I got these from Starry Supplies. Yay. So there you go. It is just starrysupplies.com as well. Right. And lastly, my molds that I will be using. I have these. If you can tell, I cut them. So this is some flowers, Wilton. And it was a set of 6, and then I just cut 2 of them off just so it can fit. I have a pressure pot that I'm going to be putting all of these in. And then I have these bunny molds. They are from Walmart. They were just a $5 big old mold. Here's the rest of it. And then I have this one, Wilton Peeps brand. And I guess they did like a collaboration with them and everything. I had this for a while, and now I'm finally using it. Yay! But I have to go ahead and cut some of these off. So let's go ahead and do that.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have my resin, which I'm using Amazing Clear Cast. I had it in a hot water bath for 10 minutes or so. Like, the water was still warm when I took it out. And that's just to help it be fluid and flowy. I think I'm going to do 40. We'll start off with 40 because those flower molds are kind of huge. Well, it'll be 80 after part B. So we're going to use 80. And of course I have molds with other projects just in case that this is too much. There we go. And then with the hot water bath, it helps it so that it's more flowy, less bubbles, and then you also want to stir it for 3 to 5 minutes very slowly. But I am actually going to go ahead and do that off camera, and from here on out it will be a voiceover because I have to put on my mask. Can you see it? Not really, but yeah. Safety first. Bye!
I know where we can go, and it's all you.